Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learners? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Can Public School and College Saidpur. Dear learners, today I'll discuss about percentage. Percentage. First, I am giving a definition of percentage. Percentage is such a fraction that whose denominator is always 100. I am giving some example. For example, here, suppose here 50%, 20%. Dear learner, it is denoted using percent sign. This is the percent sign. Percent sign. What is the sign? What is the name of this sign? Percent sign. 50%, 20%, 1%. We can express this percent as simple fraction. 50%, this we can write 50 by 100. Similarly, for 20%, this will be 20 by 100. For 1%, this will be 1 by 100. Percentage is such a fraction. This is the fraction that whose denominator, here denominator we are seeing is always 100. This is the percentage. Now I will express some fractions and decimal fraction by using percent symbol. Express the following fractions and decimal by using percent symbol. Percent symbol, this percent symbol. (54 by suppose 25). This is the fraction, simple fraction. Another one, 2, 3, 0.3. First, I am expressing this. Here 54, 24. According to definition, we know percentage is such a fraction whose denominator is always 100. But here we are seeing denominator 25. If we multiply numerator and denominator by 4, because we know 425, this will be 100. We want to make this denominator 100. Now 4 is multiplied with denominator and numerator also. We get here 5 4 4 16, 1 is hand, 21. So dear student, this will be 260%. For 2, here 23, this is decimal fraction. If we convert this decimal fraction to simple fraction, we know for decimal symbol 1, here how many digit after it? 2 digit we get. So we can write easily here 23%. Similarly for 3, this is decimal fraction. If we convert this decimal fraction to simple fraction, we get for decimal symbol 1, after it 1 digit, for 1 digit we get 0. According to definition, the denominator will be 100. If we multiply numerator and denominator by 10, because 10 tens are 100, 10 here, this also 10, then we get here 30, 100, 30%. Now I'll solve what problem. First I am writing this question. There are 30 students in class 5 English version of CPSCS, and 12 students are girls. How many percent of students, how many percent of students are girls? Dear learners, I am reading this question again. There are 30 students in class 5 English version of CPSCS and 12 students are girls. How many percent of students are girls? Out of 30 students, girls are 12. Out of 1 student, girls are 12 divided by 30. Out of 100 students, girls are, this will be 12 multi 100 by 30, 40. How many percent of students are girls? 40%. And this will be 40%. I will write another one word problem question here. There are 50 students. No, the population of Shokipur village is 1280, and 40% of the population of the population of that village is educated. Find the number of educated persons. The population of Shokipur village here 1280 and 40% of the population of that village is educated. What is the meaning? This 40% of the population of that village is educated. That is, out of 100 population, educated population is 40. For 1 and for 1280, what will be the number of educated person? Out of 100 population, the number of educated population 40. Out of 1 population, the number of educated person, this will be 40 divided by 100. Out of here, how many number of population of that village here? 1280 population. The number of educated population, this will be 40 multi 1280 by 100. 0 and this 0, if we cut 128 for multi 4 8 is 32, 3 is hand, 4 to the 8 and 3, this will be 11, 1 is hand, 4 on the 4 and 1 5, that is 512. The number of educated persons of this village will be 512. The answer, this will be 512 persons. Dear student, now I'll solve another one from exercise 9, question number 2. First, I am writing this. Here, question number 2, exercise 9. Question number 2. First, I am writing in a school. In a school, 30 students were absent among 80 students on Sunday. How many students were present on that day? I am reading this again. In a school, 30 students were absent among 80 students on Sunday, how many students were present on that day? Out of 100, the number of absent student is here 30. Out of 1, the number of absent student 30 by 100. The total number of student 80. Out of 80, the number of absent student is 30 multi 80. The out of total student here 80, and number of 24 student were absent on that day. So dear student, how many students were present on that day? The number of present student on that day or 80 minus 24. So we know very easy, this is 80, 24 or 6, 3, 8 minus 3, this will be 56. 56 students. So answer, this will be 56 students. Dear student, you will solve like this way in your exercise 9, question number 3. Thanks for watching my class.